to our new and newly promoted female faculty. I want to take a moment to welcome you to your faculty position at BGSU or to congratulate you on your recent promotion. While this fall is a semester unlike any other, I hope your virtual celebration reminds you that your work inside and outside the classroom makes a difference. And I would like to thank the Center for Women and Gender Equity and the Women's Gender and Sexuality Studies program for hosting today's event. At Bowling Green State University, we believe we are a community where each person can belong. And that includes fostering a community that is welcoming, inclusive, and representative of the world around us. Having such engaged and talented female faculty demonstrates our pursuit of that commitment. And there is always work to be done in hiring and retaining female faculty and staff. However, I want to express that beyond your contributions to your academic field, your research or creative activities is your mentorship and support of each other, but also of our undergraduate and graduate students. You help position them to live meaningful and productive lives. And as a public, residential, comprehensive university, our mission is represented in the work we do day in and day out. Now, while COVID-19 has brought challenges, it is you, our faculty, who continue to prove through innovation and creativity and hard work that higher education is not just a public good, but is an essential good. As president, I am fortunate to have each of you as colleagues. Again, congratulations and best wishes this academic year.